Swarika Hello everyone. So it's our day off again. So I'm gonna want to show or share to you kung ano yung nabili ko for today. So I go for like 3 different places. Uniqlo, Muji, and then I go to Sasa as well, like because I need to buy something in there, so I just wanna share to you kung ano nabili ko. So in Uniqlo, I just buy some clothes upper, but I just want to show you kung ano yung nabili ko sa Sasa. It was one of my favorite. I'm looking for this one. It's a supplement kasi I needed this one especially for me. And then I got this vitamins. If any one of you try this vitamin C, so let me know. And then I when I go to Muji, I'm looking for something that I need to buy kasi wala akong nakita. So I got this, one of my favorite, yung mga favorite ng matcha. So I have this one. I'm gonna try this. I've got this almond matcha. I didn't even taste it kung ano, but matcha is one of my favorites. So, nakita ko siya, so binili ko na. Mura lang naman siya. And I have the marshmallow. Muji marshmallow is also very delicious. And ewan ko lang. But I think this one is made in Japan. So yeah, this is what I buy for today. And in Uniqlo, I have bought all this, the upper one for me. I have got two. They are on sale, so I have two. But also this one for like winter. So black and then the pink one. So that is for today's video. Kapuna. Thank you everyone. Thank you for supporting my videos. See you again next time. Bye bye. So hello again, Sawarika. So most of you who is very also curious kung ano yung laman nito. So I'm just gonna show it to you. So let's gonna open it up. I think it's like a chocolate but in almonds. So anyway, so yeah, it is indeed. Matcha flavor in